In this video I am going to show you how to install JDK, and after install JDK how can we set environment variable for JDK. Let's start. Open the browser, and in the browser you can search directly java.oracle.com. Let's search it. This link I'll put in the description box. These are the latest version of the JDK if you want to install from here, but I am going to install JDK 8 version. So come under the technologies, here is Java Standard Edition. Click on this. Then scroll it down. Here is Java Standard Edition 8. Click on this. Now let it download. Here you can install Linux, Mac. I am going to install in Windows. Click on here Windows. In Windows you can install according to your operating system, how much bit you have in your operating system. Let's see how much bit I have. Search here system in search bar, then click on this. Here you will be able to see it's a 64 bit. It's a 64 bit. Now I'll install 64 bit JDK. Click on this JDK Windows 64 bit, then agree term and condition, then click on download. Now after click on download you will have to required Oracle account. You can create here Oracle account, but I have already, so I am going to log in. Click on sign in. Here downloading is started, but I have already downloaded it because it might take some time to download. I am going to pause here and now going to install that downloaded file which I earlier downloaded. Go to download section. Here this I have downloaded. Simply double click on this. Let's install it. Now it will take admin permission. Click on OK. Now here you will be able to see. Click on next. Preparing install, and this is the path where our JDK is going to install in C drive program files JDK, and you can customize according to you where you want to install. Click on next again. then click on next. Now Java JDK is going to install. After install this Java setup, we have to set environment variable as well. Now close it. These are JDK is installed, but if you will see in open command prompt, let's see, if I will search Java version, these are Java version installed. I have installed successfully, but after installing also, if you are not able to configure this JDK setup, then you will have to set up environment variable. How can we set that? First you will have to search here control panel. In control panel, go to the system and security, click on that. In system and security, come here system, click on here. After click here, you have to come under this advanced system setting. Go here advanced system setting, which is then at the bottom you will see environment variables. Click on this. In this environment variable we will get user variable and system variable. We will update system variable. First we will have to update this path. In this path we will give bin directory, means we will give the path with bin. Here click on path and click on edit button. In edit button we will have to give the path with bin. How we can give? Let me now we have to give where we have installed our JDK. I have installed in C drive, program files. In program files, now I am able to see this Java. Open this JDK 1.8. Then we will have to give with bin. Why we are giving with bin? Because here our Java compiler is available in this. Because of that reason we will give here with bin. Simply copy this path and come on that where we are going to install. Click on new and paste here, Control V. This is we are going to path with bin and click on OK. Now second variable we have to give without bin. Without bin, for without bin we have to click on here new. When you will click here new, it will ask for variable name. I will give variable name Java home, because I am going to give path here variable value. Variable value I will give without bin, means till bin we have given, but at this time we will give without bin. Remaining path we will give, we will remove the bin only. Control C. This without bin path we are going to give. Okay, and simply paste here. Then click on OK. This without bin path is also added. Then click on OK. OK, and close all the tab. Now your JDK is successfully installed with environment variable. Now you will be able to configure it. Thank you so much for watching this video.